Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Espresso WDT tool is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any serious home barista looking to elevate their espresso game, as it directly impacts the consistency and quality of your shots by breaking up clumps and distributing coffee grounds evenly within the portafilter, leading to a smoother, more balanced extraction and ultimately, a superior tasting cup of coffee. Number 5. 53.5mm 4-in-1 Espresso Accessories Kit. Discover the ultimate 4-in-1 Espresso Accessories Kit designed to transform your coffee-making experience. This comprehensive set ensures you have all the essential tools for a perfect brew. Achieve consistent, balanced espresso with our calibrated, spring-loaded tamper. It delivers over 30 pounds of optimal pressure, ensuring a flavorful shot every time. Say goodbye to clumpy coffee grounds with our 8-needle WDT tool. It effectively breaks up clumps, optimizes extraction, and prevents channeling for a smoother taste. Our magnetic dosing funnel attaches securely, minimizing mess and coffee powder splash. It ensures accurate dosing for a better coffee experience. This professional espresso tamper kit is perfect for cafes, offices, or home use. Give the gift of barista quality espresso, wherever you are. Designed for convenience, this kit includes a tamper, distribution tool, dosing funnel, and tamper mat. It's suitable for various portafilter sizes, making it a versatile addition to any coffee lover's collection. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a complete solution for your espresso needs. The spring-loaded tamper ensures consistent pressure, while the detachable needles on the WDT tool allow for easy cleaning and customization. If you're looking for an all-in-one package that simplifies your workflow and ensures great results, this is the one for you. What people say. This device helps ensure the espresso is not channeling. The item works well, the quality is decent, and it comes with a stand to sit in. The WDT tool is not flimsy and breaks up a good bit of clumps. The case is very nice too. It has some weight to it so it's not falling over all the time, which is great. Number 4. MHW 3-Bomber 54mm Dual Spring Espresso Tamper T6000 OS. Introducing the MHW 3-Bomber 54mm Espresso Tamper, designed for a superior coffee experience. Its unique dual spring system offers consistent, adjustable pressure for perfect tamping every time. Experience the convenience of automatic reset and horizontal leveling. This tool ensures an even press, reducing common tamping errors and improving your espresso shots. The 53.35mm ripple base maximizes coffee contact, unlocking richer flavors and a more aromatic cup. Enjoy a fuller-bodied espresso with every use. Crafted with a premium aluminum alloy handle and a food-grade stainless steel base, it's built for longevity and your health. Say goodbye to coatings and hello to durability. Whether you're a professional or a home enthusiast, this tamper is an excellent choice. It's designed to elevate your coffee-making process and ensure premium quality. We are dedicated to providing the best coffee drinking experience. Trust MHW 3-Bomber for quality espresso accessories and exceptional customer support. What we like. Experience a new level of control with its unique dual spring system and self-leveling capability. The ripple base is designed to maximize coffee extraction for a richer flavor. If you're a coffee enthusiast who enjoys experimenting with different variables to achieve the perfect cup, or if you're a busy cafe looking to improve efficiency without compromising quality, this tamper is an excellent choice. What people say. The tool is very well made and feels solid in the hand. It's a great addition to my espresso setup, helping to break up clumps and distribute the grounds evenly. The needles are fine enough to get into all the nooks and crannies of the portafilter, ensuring a consistent shot every time. Number 3. GdHaHSP 51mm Espresso Accessories Kit. Transform your coffee-making experience with this essential espresso accessories kit. It includes everything you need to achieve perfect shots every time. Our 7-needle distribution tool, crafted from 316 stainless steel, effortlessly breaks up coffee clumps. This ensures optimal extraction and prevents messy channeling or splattering. Designed for effortless installation, this magnetic dosing funnel stays securely in place. It minimizes coffee powder spills and ensures accurate dosing for a cleaner, more enjoyable process. This highly efficient puck screen promotes even water flow and prevents tampering issues. Made from durable, food-grade stainless steel, it's easy to clean and built to last. Expertly packaged for coffee lovers, this kit is ideal for both home and commercial use. Achieve consistent extraction quality with these barista-certified tools. Never worry about missing accessories again. This comprehensive set provides a superior coffee-making pleasure, all backed by lifetime technical support. What we like. This kit provides essential tools for a superior espresso experience, including a puck screen for cleaner extractions. The detachable needles on the WDT tool offer flexibility and ease of maintenance. If you're a home barista aiming for consistent, high-quality espresso and appreciate the added benefit of a puck screen to prevent channeling, this set is ideal for you. What people say. The build quality really surprised me. Everything feels sturdy and well-made, not cheap or flimsy like some other sets I've tried. After using this kit for a week, my espresso shots are smoother, more balanced, and repeatable. The filter screen and magnetic funnel work seamlessly and fit my stylosa perfectly. Number 2. 51mm 3-in-1 Espresso Accessories Kit. Introducing our 3-in-1 Espresso Accessories Kit, designed to enhance your coffee-making journey. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for a superior espresso experience. Our WDT tool effectively breaks up coffee grounds, preventing clumps and ensuring an even extraction. Say goodbye to channeling and hello to richer flavor. The magnetic dosing funnel attaches securely, keeping your workspace clean and minimizing spills. It ensures accurate dosing for consistent results every time. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, the puck screen promotes even water flow and is built to last. It's easy to clean and can be reused for years. This versatile kit meets all your professional coffee-making needs. It's the perfect gift for any coffee enthusiast, allowing them to craft barista-quality espresso anywhere. With a WDT tool, dosing funnel, and puck screen, this set covers all essential functions. Enjoy the satisfaction of making perfect espresso with ease. What we like. This set focuses on core espresso preparation, featuring a WDT tool with a comfortable solid wood handle and a puck screen for enhanced extraction. The magnetic dosing funnel ensures a clean workspace. If you value a comfortable grip and a tidy setup, and are looking for the essential tools to elevate your home espresso game, this kit is a great starting point. What people say. Needles are not removable replaceable, but they seem to be pretty sturdy and should not be easily bent or damaged. Wood is attractive and very nicely finished. The WDT tool feels solid and works really well for breaking up clumps. The puck screen and dosing ring are a nice bonus, and overall the kit feels much better than I expected. This fine needle tool does a good job of breaking up clumps within the portafilter, creating a uniform density for more even water flow and extraction, leading to a better tasting, less channeled shot. Number 1. 51mm Espresso Accessories Kit. Elevate your coffee game with this essential espresso accessories kit. It includes everything you need to craft the perfect shot, making it an ideal gift for any coffee lover. Experience consistent extraction and rich flavor with our durable 316 stainless steel tamper. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and precise control for perfect tamps. Say goodbye to clumps and channeling. This upgraded WDT tool, tested by professionals, effortlessly breaks up coffee grounds for even distribution and a superior espresso every time. Achieve barista quality results with our magnetic dosing funnel. It securely attaches to your portafilter, preventing spills and ensuring precise grounds placement for a cleaner workflow. Our reusable puck screen, made with robust material and fine micron fabric, prevents clumping and spills. Enjoy a smooth, consistent flow for enhanced flavor and optimized tamping. These tools are designed for ease of use and cleaning, fitting 51mm portafilters perfectly. They are suitable for various settings, from home kitchens to professional cafes. What we like. This kit is designed for precision and comfort, featuring a 51mm tamper with an ergonomic handle and an upgraded WDT tool for superior clump breaking. The magnetic dosing funnel and reusable puck screen contribute to a clean and efficient process. If you're looking for a comfortable and precise set of tools to perfect your 51mm portafilter espresso, this is an excellent option. What people say. Using the SIM-type 51mm set, such a dream to use and functioned as intended. I was spilling grounds all over the place, but with the dosing funnel, no mess, no fuss, and easy to use. The WDT tool was easy to use, but I did not notice the difference. It does distribute the grounds and made the puck more dense. The filter screen, a godsend. The puck stayed together and felt like the distribution of the water was much more even using the screen. The filter screen was more dense than I expected. And the piece de resistance, the tamper, has great weight and fits snug into the portafilter. Now, after using the SIM-type 51mm set, it comes out as a pretty solid puck. The coffee tastes great and I feel more is extracted from the grounds than before. It was easy to use and comfortable in my hands. Great quality products. The tamper is very heavy and does a super job for espresso. The screen is nice and heavy, not very flimsy, which is great. The little scooper assist is nice to have, though I don't have a built-in grinder, so probably won't use it a lot. The durability of everything in it seems very good and is very high quality. The tamper feels like a solid piece of metal, but you need to be careful when using it as it's heavy and you can easily tamp a bit off-piste. The dosing funnel has several small magnets that will hold the collar to the portafilter. If your portafilter is stainless steel, like the one that comes from DeLonghi, you can hold the portafilter up by the dosing funnel. With that said, some aftermarket portafilters are aluminum. The screen is good and fits the 51mm well. Finally, the WDT tool is good. It works great and the kit as a whole is handsome. Good quality, excellent functionality, and generally handsome 51mm kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.